In our video this time, I will explain about operator and. Operator and will return true if the both operands are true, and false if one or both the operands is false. Well, here I have a table. For example, A is true, B is true, for and B. That definitely worth true. Then is false. B is true, for and B. False. Then is true. B is false. And B. False. Ext. A false heart. B is false. For and B. False. If we look at this table, generate true value. If both true as I explained earlier, operator will be true. If both operands are true, this is the operand. A is true, B is true. Then both operands are true. Then produce true. Otherwise he must have produced false. Like this. Okay, straight we practice in its script. I just deleted this first. Then I created a variable, which is a. I give it value true. The variable b I give the value true. Then I create the output with the command as usual print A and B. Let's see the results in the terminal. But don't forget to save it by pressing Ctrl+S. We'll see the results. Okay, the result is true. Because variables A and variable B, that's true. So both have to be true, resulting in true value. I'll try to replace. One of them is false. For example, variable A is false. Surely later the result is false. I am Ctrl+S. Okay. Well, in the result is false, yes. The result is false. Then if three variables, still the result is false. Why? Because there is one variable that is false. Like I said before, if there are variables, one of the variables that is false, the result will be false. Variables we add. See. Missed earlier. Okay, like that. Well, the result must be false, because there is one of the three. This variable is false. That's the conclusion. So, to get true value, then all the variables must be true. Or, in other words, to get true value, then all operands must be true. If there is one operand which is worth false, the result will be false. Okay, thank you. This is the tutorial. May be useful.